वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। आपका जो आज का संडे है बहुत ऊर्जावान रहे। आज आप बहुत अच्छे से तैयारी कर पाएँ। और आज की डिक्टेशंस लाइव होने वाली थी, लेकिन कुछ टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम्स की वजह से नहीं हो पा रही है। लेकिन ये वीडियो मैं आपको डिक्टेशन के लिए रिकॉर्डेड फॉर्म में दे रहा हूँ, ताकि आज आप अपने संडे का भरपूर लाभ ले पाएँ, डिक्टेशंस को लिख पाएँ, ट्रांसक्राइब कर पाएँ और इम्प्रूवमेंट कर पाएँ अपनी शॉर्ट हैंड में अपने एग्ज़ाम के लिए। तो चलिए डिक्टेशन शुरू करते हैं। ये दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट के लिए स्पेशल डिक्टेशन रहेगी स्पीड पे। तो सभी साथी बहुत ज़बरदस्त तरीके से कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ लिखने बैठे। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the impugned judgment and order dated 30 September 2022 passed by the High Court of Calcutta in criminal miscellaneous application number 1638/2022, by which the division bench of the High Court has directed to release the respondent accused on statutory default bail under section 167 within bracket 2 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, the Central Bureau of Investigation has preferred the present appeal stop. The facts leading to the present appeal in nutshell are as under. Stop. That on 27 November 2020 an FIR/complaint came to be registered by the CBI against inter alia the officials of Eastern Coalfield Limited, CISF, Railways and others for the commission of offences under sections 120B/409 of the IPC and the relevant provisions of the Prevention of Corruption Act. Stop. That on 16 April 2021 the respondent accused Vikas Mishra came to be arrested by the CBI and was remanded to the CBI custody for a period of 7 days, that is till 22 April 2021. Stop. However, during the said period of remand to CBI custody, the respondent accused Vikas Mishra was admitted in the hospital and thus could not be interrogated by the CBI despite police custody remand. Stop. That on 21/4/2021 the respondent accused was enlarged on interim bail by the learned special court, which came to be extended from time to time. Stop. On 8 December 2021 the learned special court cancelled the interim bail of the respondent accused on the ground that he did not appear before the special court despite specific directions and also did not cooperate with the CBI investigation. Stop. That on 9 December 2021 and pursuant to the interim bail being cancelled, the respondent accused came to be arrested again on 11 December 2021 and was remanded to judicial custody. Stop. That again from 12/12/2021 to 8 April 2022 while in judicial custody the accused got admitted to the hospital, and then again from 7 May 2022 to 8 September 2022 para that the accused submitted an application for default bail under section 167 within bracket 2 CRPC on the ground of non-filling of the charge sheet/report within the prescribed period of 90 days. Stop. The learned special judge rejected the said application inter alia on the ground that the accused was not remanded to custody under section 167 within bracket 2 CRPC after cancellation of his bail on the grounds that the accused was granted interim bail under the provisions of chapter 33 of CRPC and his detention pursuant to cancellation of bail was on the strength of warrants issued by the court. Stop. That on 19 July 2022, the CBI filed a charge sheet against the accused and the cognizance was taken by the learned special court on the same date. Stop.